What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's Artistry Like Bam. Alright guys, this week we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be recording a how-to video. This is how to do a cool tone smoky eye. You're going to start with priming the lids. Here I am using the Makeup by Mario Master Prep-In set in the color medium. I'm going to go in and use a fluffy diffusing brush to go ahead and prep these lids. It's really important to prep the lids when you're doing an eyeshadow look like this so that the eyeshadow can go on and be really smooth. It can go on and show the colors true to color. It can make them really pop. It can also give them a really good base so that they hold on a lot longer throughout the day, and it's just an overall good step to use. I'm really taking my time with this step because the smoother the eyelid is, the smoother the eyeshadow application will be, and your eyeshadow is only as good as your primer. So as long as this step is really blended, really smooth, really even, everything I do on top will go on really nice and smooth. Using that same blending brush, I'm going to go in and start building the eye. Using a cool toned matte shadow, I'm going to start by working that on the lid and softly diffusing it all over the lid, really blending all the way up into the crease area, making sure that most of the product is saturated at the lash line and just that a little bit of it is faded up into the crease. We're going to blend all of this out later, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You can see me using a clean eyeshadow brush here to kind of softly diffuse those edges and blend everything out. Using a different blending brush, we're going to go in with a cool toned shimmery eyeshadow. This is a really beautiful cool toned shimmery eyeshadow. It has a little bit of gray to it, a little bit of purple to it, and a little bit of brown. Working this right on the lid and then diffusing the edges just like we did before. Now I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario black eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner because it has about 30 to 60 seconds of playtime. You get it on, you can smudge it out if you need to, but once it's on, it is on. This baby is bulletproof. So I'm using that to go in and softly define the lash line, getting a really, really beautiful black line there. And then I'm going to go in with the other side of the pencil that has a brush and actually pull out that eyeliner. So you'll see me kind of sculpt and create a winged liner with this eyeliner. This eyeliner, like I said, does give you a little bit of playtime, so you can move it just a little bit while you apply it, but once it sets and it dries, it is really budge proof. So you can see that I went ahead and pulled out that eyeliner, just extending it all the way to her brow, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. As a professional makeup artist, I find that this is probably the trickiest part of the eye look because you want this to be really precise, you want this to be really even and be really beautiful, and really accentuate the eye. I love this because you need to really take your time. You can really go ahead and build, smudge, and take your time with that eyeliner because the moment you make a mistake, it's really hard to kind of remove it. So the slower you go, the easier it is to not make a mistake and kind of build the look. As you'll notice, I am having my client look at me, look down, look back at me, look down, so that way I can see if it's even, if everything looks symmetrical, and if it looks great on camera, I can go back and check and see how everything looks and make sure that it's really defined and it's exactly what she was looking for. So next I'm having her look up with a smudger brush, and this is just me using the smudger brush with a little bit of eye cream and going in and cleaning up that black eyeliner to make sure everything is really crisp and really defined. Now using a permanent brow marker, I'm going to go in and define her brows. She is a really, really deep black brunette hair color, so I want to go in and give her a really rich brow to kind of balance out this look. It does look a little bit strange on camera and it looks a little bit more red and warm, but I promise once we brush it out and everything comes together at the end with the lashes, it'll all balance and look really beautiful. You'll also notice in this video I went ahead and did her foundation, bronzer, blush, concealer, everything like that off camera. So if you want to see that, I can always do that in another video. Leave me a comment down below and I can post that for you guys maybe next week or the week after. But you can see that I'm using a clean dry spoolie to brush out her brows, and now I'm going in with a brunette brow gel to kind of softly define, set the brow, and make sure all the hairs go exactly where we want them to. Next, everyone's favorite moment. This is the lash moment. I feel like no makeup is not complete without a lash, so you'll see me go in and quickly pop on some false lashes. She really loved a lash for this look, and it looks so gorgeous on her, so I could not wait to accommodate, and here you are. Next, we're going to go in and curl the false lashes in her real lashes so that they blend really naturally and all go the same direction. You're going to see me kind of correct and fluff the lashes as we go. Then I'm going to be using a tiny fluffy fan brush with L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Waterproof Mascara to go in and blend her lashes and the false lashes together just a little bit. All right, guys, here is the big reveal. All right, she loves it. She's super happy and super impressed. She said that her sister is gonna adore it. She can't wait. And here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to talk to you in next week's Makeup Artist Monday. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.